Good afternoon, dear partners in SAFIR-Med, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, I have to go forward because that's not me. Every invention triggers creativity in mankind, but also presents challenges to society. And this also applies to drones. The positive economic, social, and environmental impact of drones through many different applications is undeniable and will further grow in future. And skeyes is proud and honored to be part of this drone community in our country. And from the very beginning, we contribute to the development of this sector, and we will continue to do so. And our most important role lies exactly in one of the challenges that come with the ever-growing unmanned air traffic. Our mission, as I said before, is to guarantee the safety of all air traffic and to maximize the use of Belgian airspace capacity and also to make all air traffic fluid. This means that we also support, develop, and continuously improve the integration of unmanned aviation and civil controlled airspace and around airports, and aim for a safe and complementary coexistence of manned and unmanned traffic within the future UTM, ATM environment. And as for all the other partners in their domain, I'm sure SAFIR-Med has provided skeyes with a lot of learnings. A lot of learnings regarding unmanned air traffic management. Test cases like these grant us the opportunity to explore the possibility of drone and to get to know and overcome the difficulties that we meet along the way. SAFIR-Med has allowed us to integrate effective solutions with the other stakeholders, enabling efficient management of drone operations and preparing the future. We know even better how to implement EU regulations, principles and concepts in a safe and effective way. And moreover, through our experiences with SAFIR-Med, we have been able to contribute valuable insights for drawing up this legislation. This illustrates another potential important role for skeyes in future to actively develop the most adequate and efficient solutions to collect, manage and distribute all relevant information that is required for upcoming use-based services provision, the so-called Common Information Service, or CIS. Ladies and gentlemen, as you probably know, skeyes is also a partner in other operational projects, for instance, inspection of utility lines or intervention by security services. Some of these projects take even place here in Antwerp as well. And participation in such operational projects help us and our partners to develop and to demonstrate effective solutions with and for drones. This covers operational procedures as well as, very important, automation in information exchange processes. And all these experience enable skeyes to be a major contributor to the integration of drones in Belgian airspace. And with regard to the pragmatic implementation of EU regulations that I mentioned before, we work together with the Belgian Civil Aviation Authority, and one of the important points on our agenda is the upcoming use-based content, which might be rolled out as from 26th January next year. Skeyes would be officially designated as the SIS provider for Belgium, and there a certification process has to be established. In parallel, the skeyes Aeronautical Information Management Department will be involved in finding effective ways to inform all stakeholders, both manned and unmanned aviation communities, about the existence of use-based airspaces. This means regular updates of aeronautical information publications and, of course, further evolution of our well-known drone guide too. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the partners in SAFIR-Med. We have already come a long way together and put a lot of effort in this project. And this would not have been possible without a good understanding and the mutual trust that there has been between us from the very beginning. And the success of SAFIR-Med is not to be underestimated. our work and experiences will benefit the whole of the drone sector in Belgium and even in Europe. An increasing number of applications, even unknown or unexplored so far, for unmanned air traffic will continue to emerge, bringing so many advantages in so many aspects of society. It fills me with great pride that SKeyes is a part of that evolution together with all of you. And I look forward to continue our journey. Thank you for your attention.